Good day, ma.
Good day. How may I help you?
I'm the plumber guy that you sent for.
Okay.
Are you playing?
What? Oh, what? Are you okay? Where are you going? Remove your shoe! So if I allow you now, you come inside my room with this dirty shoe. I don't even know where you pick the shoe. If it's from the bowler. Stop looking at me. Oga, drop that shoe there.
Jesus!
I said drop it on the floor. Are you deaf?
Jesus
Drop it on the floor.
Lord.
Come inside now. Why are you looking at? Stop looking at me like that. Are you mad? Are you okay? Don't try it. Why will you drop this dirty bag on my bed? Don't try it. Don't try it. Be careful. Please. It's the kitchen pipe that is leaking. My sink. If I'm washing plates, what I used to drop on the floor. Please, since you say you're a good plumber, I believe you know what to do. I was about to take my shower when you came in. So, make sure you are very fast because I'm going out. I will not have to leave my room for you and I will not wait for you. Do you understand? Do you understand? You are looking at me like this. Let me chook my hand inside your eyes and remove that eyeball. Be going now. This madman. Oh. Ew.
Yeah. There's a me to the poor wise mumu. Catch the bad guy with hot temper. These two people get wahala. As a question, but bomb magana. Fake neighbors, they don't like their same, they're too jealous. They like widows. There's a me to a man with like food. This kind man fit to chop poison. Oga cash now the cost trouble. When it's tight, know the hair you don't do. You go explain tire.
No.
Hold on. You are a bad boy. Wahala dey
God
body.
have mercy upon us.
No dey gree. See funny comedy. We dey on screen. Wahala dey body. We no dey gree. We funny comedy. We dey on screen. I beg, no go and subscribe.
Money like that. Is that not food? Is my husband back? Honey? Honey? What's Honey? Honey, are you back? Honey? What are you doing with my pot, my food? I'm asking you, are you dumb?
Madam, please, see, I can explain.
Explain what?
I can explain. See, madam, see, I get ulcer. And now I say, man, eat fast, start your work.
You say let you eat
Please.
in my... You say let you eat in my house. Even eating my meat on top.
Sorry, ma, I can explain. I can explain.
What do you want to explain? Can you imagine this? I don't know how people behave in this. Oh my goodness! I'm sick and tired of all this. Get out! Get out! Get out! I say get out! Are you mad?
To the poor wise
Get out! Stupid man! Lock my door! I don't want to ever see you in this house again. What the hell? You come somewhere to come and work for you. Can't people just finish my food? Where is my phone, sir?
Hold on. You are a bad boy. Wahala dey body.